Hi, first graders. Okay, welcome to Monday's asynchronous lesson. You are going to listen to two stories. This first story I'm going to read to you. We're going to learn about friends all around the world, and I'm going to read it to you. This one we're reading together. So when I pause and I tell you to read, to think and then read, I want you to read the sentences out loud. Now, if the first time you go through it, you have difficulty reading the word, that's okay. Do it again, and the second time around, hopefully you're able to read those words. And just keep trying it until you're able to read them all perfectly, okay? Practice makes perfect. After you've read both of those books, then you're going to go to your HSD2 portal, click on the Wonders button, go to Wonders Grade 1, then click on your assignments button and you're looking for this high frequency words activity. This one is letting you practice writing your high frequency words for, there's 4 that you want to be practicing for this week. All right, have a great rest of your day.